The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day today. In today's video, we are going to be heading outside to decorate my front porch for Christmas. I just wanted to start this intro inside because it is super windy out. So before we head out there, I just wanted to say hi and welcome if you're new here. My name is Tristina and I post mommy and lifestyle videos for you guys 2 to 3 times a week. I love everything to do with decor, cooking. I love trying to motivate and inspire you guys through cleaning videos and everything like that. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, it would mean the world to me if you press the subscribe button and become part of my YouTube family. Also, don't forget to introduce yourself in the comments down below because I love getting to know you guys. But we are gonna go right ahead and head outside. I have a little bit of a haul for you guys to show you what we're gonna be using, and then we're just gonna get right into decorating. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the new items I got first really quick. So I picked up this red lantern from Walmart. There was 2 different sizes and this one is actually like the smaller of the 2. I believe this is $19.98. This one's 19 inches. I was debating on both, but I think just one's fine, and I was trying to really not spend a lot of money on this, so I got that. And then I also picked up this porch sign from Dollar General. You're not gonna be able to see this. It says Santa stop here. This is just as tall as the Hobby Lobby ones, and this was only, it was wicked cheap. I can't remember, it was like $6 or $8. It was $8 from Dollar General. They had another variety of this as well, and it's the same height, width, and everything as the Hobby Lobby ones, which are much more pricey. The only difference is the Hobby Lobby ones are double-sided and this one is not. Okay, so I also picked up a new doormat. I'm actually not sure if I'm gonna use this one or my one from last year on the front porch yet, but I'm gonna start with this one. I got this one from Target, and it just says, "Time to get married," with the little red car instead of the little red truck. But I also have a more basic one that I had last year that just said Happy Holidays, and I might switch to that one because there's kind of a lot going on. I don't know, I guess we'll see. Other than that, the only other 2 items I haven't shown you guys yet because I just picked these up yesterday as well. I got 2 24-inch non-lit Liberty wreaths from Walmart. These were $9.98 a piece. My neighbor's about to back out of their driveway. This is gonna be super awkward. But I just picked up 2 of these. So other than that, I just have a few pieces that I got last year. I got this big galvanized bin. Actually, my mom got this and gave this to me last year that says a reindeer sleigh rides. I think she got it from Marshall's. And then I just have some garland that lights up that I usually put on these posts there. And I think the only other thing is my sled that I got from Vintage Market Days. I made a vlog all about that I showed you guys the sled in there. I'm not gonna pick it up right now, but you guys will see as we decorate. That's like my most exciting piece. I feel like I'm really excited to decorate with that. So with all that being said, we're just gonna go ahead and get decorating. So whenever I'm decorating my porch, I always like to do the things that I know where they go first. Like obviously the doormat always goes in the same place. I always put garland up and down these posts here. I mean, maybe one year I'll find something different to change it with, but as of now, right now, that's what I always do. So I like to just start with the things that I know exactly where they're gonna go. That way, once that starts coming together, I can start playing with the other items. So that's just what I'm doing first. Also, I always get questions on how I hang things, so I want to start trying to point that out more often. I am seriously a big tack girl. I always try to use like command hooks and command strips and whatnot, but they just don't hold up the same for me, so I am just using tack.
That go together. Everyone can use a little vacation, even if life on the North Pole is cool. But don't worry, my dear hubby, I'm making my way home to you. So Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you.
This is something new that I am doing this year, which I haven't done in the past years, but I love the way it looks. The only two windows we have on the front of our house are these two windows that you're seeing here. So I decided to get the wreaths to hang out the windows. And all I did was hang some ribbon around the wreath and then just wrapped it like you are seeing here around the top of the window. So when I push the window up, it just stayed in place just like that. You don't have to use anything to hang it. It's super simple. And I do end up putting one on the other side as well, but I actually had to have my husband help me with that side and I forgot to film it. The left side has a screen on it, and I didn't want to take the screen off, so what we did was just kind of like pushed it out a tiny bit so that way we could feed the ribbon through the top of the screen over there. And here I am telling my husband to stop annoying me because I'm trying to film a video. What's new? But you're gonna see that he continues to be annoying over here in the window as he fixes the blinds that I accidentally knocked off.
I'm on my way. Here comes the jolly season again with the sleigh bells and choirs singing. But I hear no church bells ringing out for me.
I wasn't sure what I was going to add to this galvanized bucket. I debated for a while. I went to the store, even looked around. I thought about adding just logs or something of the sort, but I honestly just didn't want to spend any money, and if I got logs I would have wanted to put like picks in it as well. So I actually just took the little flock tree that I had in my living room and decided to put it in here instead because I have other flock trees down in my basement. Brand new in the box still, that I am going to bring up. I was planning for my dining room, but there's 3 in there, so I'm just going to replace one in my living room where this one was, and I'll still be able to put the other 2 in the dining room, so it worked out perfectly. I'm glad I didn't spend money because I just completely forgot about those trees that I had gotten at the beginning of the season. But then I am just going ahead and adding some bows around the garland and around the wreaths. The bows make such a big difference, don't they? I mean, I didn't even notice until I'm watching this video and I'm like, wow, they really did make such a difference. And I got those 2 at the dollar store, and then the 2 smaller ones I got at Walmart for like 98 cents or something. It's super inexpensive like that.
And I think I've got more than enough just for walking around being me. And I'm sure Santa Claus can see and make you mine. Tell me, Santa, it's Christmas all about love. In that case, can I have the one that I've been dreaming of? Tell me, Santa, it's Christmas all about love. It's the only thing.
So I felt like something was missing, and after kind of pondering around, I decided to go out and grab a banner. I got this one from Walmart and had my husband hang it from the top here like you're seeing. I told him next year we are adding lights and going kind of crazy with lights because we don't have any. My garland is supposed to light up, and you guys are gonna see that I don't do any nighttime clips because when I went to go plug in my garland, 2 of the strands actually were blown, so that wasn't gonna work out, and I was not planning to spend money on it this year, so I just didn't. But next year I really want to add some lights to the top around here where we're putting the garland, or where we're putting the banner, and also just like around the front house. I just really want more lights because the lights scream Christmas to me. But anyways, this banner, so you guys can probably see that me and Floyd were kind of going back and forth on what to do. He was thinking to make it even right in the center by putting 7 pendants on both sides. I said it looked weird that way, and I felt like it should be in between the Merry and the Christmas, which is what we went with. So it's not perfectly centered because obviously Christmas is longer than the word Merry, but I just thought it looked better that way because you could actually see like the words that way and they weren't just like, you know, all mushed together, I guess. So let me know in the comments what you guys would have done if this was your house. But anyways, that is the end of the video. This is how it all turned out. I think it looks really cute. There's definitely things that I would have liked to add or change, but next year is another year to get to play around with it even more, and that's why I love these videos, is getting to go back and see all the differences. It's always so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you made it this far, leave the Christmas tree emoji down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
And then time almost came to a stop, but somehow